Namaste, Radiance Yoga family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Our vision for this platform is to bring you a wide variety of yoga classes that represent our mission to offer yoga for everyone and everybody. Class styles will include gentle yoga, power yoga, and everything in between. During times that we cannot be together, the Radiance Yoga YouTube channel is here to meet your yoga needs. Please, friends, subscribe to and share this channel with everyone you know. Together, we can contribute to spreading love and peace through the practices of yoga. From our hearts to yours, Om Shanti.